In this video, I'm going to fly an Air 2S drone with an Insta360 X3 camera mounted on top. The drone camera video is on the left and the Insta360 video is on the right. The Insta360 is mounted with the lenses pointing left and right. This minimizes the airflow resistance. Notice how much wider the angle of view is from the Insta360. This can be edited by zooming in the Insta360 video. However, I find the image loses its crispness the more it is zoomed. It never looks as crisp as the drone video. An X5 may improve this. You can get some very interesting shots with the 360. A downward view of the drone is the most interesting. Coming in for a landing, and this completes the first test. The second test is with the Insta360 mounted with the lenses looking forward and back. More wind resistance, but this is to see if there are stitching errors between the two lenses. I really didn't notice any. I ordered the mounting strap from AliExpress. It costs just under $10. I don't really like the curved horizon. However, it might be good for the odd shot. Because of the wide-angle nature of the Insta360 video, it gives a higher illusion of speed as you fly over objects. Flying low to the ground and under objects gives a unique view when looking up with the Insta360 video. This completes the second test, and it's back to our landing spot. Come back for the next test, which has the Insta360 mounted on the bottom of the drone. Thanks for watching.